Okay, let's do number 6. All right, Carlos. What is the name of this again? Dividend and the divisor. Very good. Okay. Set it up first. We're gonna do it. All right, so who was not here on Monday, I can go over a little bit on the how to do it. Okay, you can also look at the notes. The first is always need to check if it is standard form or if it's missing any power. Okay, that means let's start with the highest power 4. You need to have all the power consecutive here. So I have 4. Do we have x cubed? Yes. How about 2? I do have it. How about x? Yes. And no x? Yes. So everybody here. Every power here, so you don't need to do anything. Okay. But then what is the next step? You gonna, Carlos? Only divide the front by the front. Okay. What is 2x4 divided by x? 2x cubed. Very good. After this, what are you gonna do next? You multiply back. So again, for those who are not here, remember this problem when you learn on the elementary school. First, you want to divide this one, right? 15 divided by 5 is 3. After this, what you gonna do? You multiply back to get 15, right? And then, okay, all right, just one voice at a time. And then after this, you're gonna subtract them, right? Subtract them equal to 0, and you drop down to 7. Exactly the same for here, okay? 2x cubed, you multiply back. The only difference is you need to multiply for the whole thing. Yeah. Well, what's the name? The whole divisor. The whole, this is divisor. Multiply back to whole thing. 2x cubed times x. They all will be the same. For first term, the first one will be the same. And then 2x cubed multiplied by 5 is 10x cubed. Very good. After this, what we're gonna do? We're gonna subtract them with the sign. Very good. The reason I want you all to switch the sign because later on you can do. It's very tempting to forget this minus. Okay. If you can know this minus, you can just do 8 minus 10. But for sure, along the way, you probably forget this. So I want you all to do this. Flip this sign. Just write a new sign so you remember this is minus. And then add them all together, you have 8 minus 10. What is 8 minus 10?
2x.
Carlos, huh? Negative 2, not 2, negative 2. Okay. So negative 2x cubed. What you gonna do with this thing? You bring it down like this, as here, right? When you do on the elementary school, you drop whatever you have left down. So drop this all down. Drop this one down. Drop this one down. Okay. So look at the 7. Can you keep going or you need to stop? Like 7 divided by 5, can you keep going?
Yeah.
Yes, because you can see 5 inside 7, right? 7 divided by 5 is 1, right? So it's the same thing here. Can negative 2x cubed divided by x? Yes, that means you need to keep going. You need to keep going. What is this then? Okay, let's give Carlos 1 point. Who wants to do next?
What?
Louis, okay, let's go, Louis. I'm gonna call you next. Huh? You know what to do? Okay, next. He lost. Negative 2x cubed divided by x is negative 2x squared. Now, you want to multiply back everything, right? The first one, they all will be the same because we purposely divided. So the first one, you don't need to worry about. But then you need to multiply the whole divisor. That means you need to multiply by 5 as well. Negative 2x squared times 5 is negative 10x squared. Very good. Now, you're gonna subtract them, right? Subtract them. What changed? See, this is something you can make a mistake right here. A lot of mistake from last period, like just literally period 2, we just did. They mess up a sign a lot. They get different number because you mess up the sign. That's why I want you all to just flip this one to write a new one. I know it's kind of extra step, but it kind of prevent you to make a mistake. Because guess what? If you mess up one thing, everything gonna be screw up, okay? -9 plus 10 is, Lewis, x squared. Then you want to drop all of this down. Okay, good. 1 point for Lewis. Now Kayla, go next. Can we go next? Yeah?
Yeah.
Can x squared divided by x? Yes, so you need to go next. X squared divided by x is x. Now multiply everything back. X sum x, the first one, again, it all will be the same. What is the next one? X sum 5 is 5x. Yes, very good. Okay, you guys see here? Okay, let me move it. Okay, then you wanna subtract them. So this plus become minus. 3 minus 5 is
Negative 2x.
negative 2x minus
That's why I did minus 10.
minus 10.
Can I take it?
No, we're talking to Kayla, but you, yeah. It 1 point for Kayla, but yeah, David, let's keep going. If you want to get points, we keep going. What are you gonna do after this? David,
So you're gonna.
can we go more?
Yes.
Yes, right? Negative 2x can divide by x, you need to go more. What did you have?
Negative 2.
Negative 2. Now multiply back, negative 2x times x is
Minus
minus 2x. The first one will be the same, yeah?
and minus 10.
Minus 10, yes. Negative 2 times 5 minus 10.
And
Well,
if you're subtracting, you can just flip the sign. then.
right. You can flip the sign, but look at this. They're exactly the same.
So now remain.
So when you subtract them, they're gonna be 0. That's faster, okay? Because they're exactly the same. Very good. So they're gonna be 0 remainder. 0. This is the remainder. Okay, now David, give me the final answer. They're gonna be
2x cubed minus
Uh-huh.
2x squared plus x minus 2.
1 point for David. Good job. Who got this one? Great, great. Almost, you almost. David, like, sure, you got this, sure. Okay, great. I do, Fernando, let's go. All right, let's get attention here. Get your attention here. Fernando, go.
3x cube. Plus 0x.
Oh, I'm waiting for that. Yeah? Do you remember to get the 0? Fill in the 0? The highest power is cube. Do we have any square here? No, that's why you need to fill it in. That's what I'm sorry. So 0x squared. Now, Fernando, let's go next.
Plus 4x. Minus 4.
Very good. When then you're gonna put it right here. I always feel oversighted for this period because you all got this right. Like I'm very happy for that. Like you all, when you're teaching and you all got this, it's make me feel very excited. Okay, now let's go. First step. Like, oh, Mister, you're so nerdy. Okay. Anyway. No, for now, keep going. You want to finish the whole thing first? Divide it. What do you have?
Negative x cubed.
Huh? Negative 3x
Square.
square. Right. Multiply back. Whole thing. What do you have?
Minus 3x cubed plus.
Very good. Plus negative 3x squared times negative 1. So it's going to be plus. Don't forget the sign. Be careful. Okay. So now what you're going to change here? It's going to be negative. So what do you have? Negative 2x squared. Drop out this. Yeah. 1 point for Fernando. Who wants to do next? All right, Melanie, go ahead. I can hear. No, Melanie, go. Right, so you're going to divide more, right? Negative 2x squared divided by x. You have negative 3x. Multiply back, you're going to have the same thing always. The first one will be the same. What next? Negative 3x times negative 1. Positive 3x, very good. You switch the sign. Always do that. That's going to be revenge you for making a mistake, okay? 4 minus 3 is
No, it's
x minus 1. Oh, we have 2 problems, no remainder. No fun, but this is good, okay. What is x minus 1 divided by x minus 1?
One.
Okay. If you go one by one again, you're gonna x divided by x, and then you multiply back again. But this is x minus one. If you divide by x minus one, it's gonna be, don't give me zero. I'm gonna print it. X minus one divided by x minus one is one. Right? So sometimes you don't need to like just follow the step like blindly. You can just think about it. Okay, so zero remainder.
I know.
1 point for Melanie. So the answer is just this. Yeah, I know, very
Okay.
it's very easy to make a mistake here with the number.
Who got it right?
So okay, who got it one right? Yeah, 80%. Good job. Can I erase this?
No.
I can erase it.
That's not gonna happen. Okay.
They're starchy now.
Let's get some books. Do you like to go to the big board as a group, or you
No.
want to do a mini whiteboard? Let's vote.
Mini
Who wants to go to big board as a group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I think majority. Who wants to do the mini whiteboard? All right, big board then. Big board.
It's because when it's the big one, it's just a problem. It's the meeting or it's something that's going to show up. He is like, and it's really like a problem.
I guess.
It's good. That one is a problem, but
Oh, yeah, can this be ours?
Maybe you can do.
Huh?
Okay. All right. Okay. I'm gonna assign you a group number. You're gonna go all together to do this number 8, number 9 on the board. Okay. So group. How many group we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, so this group you can actually do here, but do it below here, okay? Because this base I'm gonna fix it, okay? So that group, then you wanna do group 5, okay? You all gonna go to board number 5, do number 6, 7. We go to the
you know what I did? You know what I did? The weird text the other day, like below one. Then I was like, then I said,
I want every member to do it, not just one person to do all, okay? So, yeah, all of you need to contribute. Do both of them, 8 and 9, both of them. So I'm gonna pause it. No, stop. All right, hold on, don't write yet, okay? Don't write yet. There are good news and bad news. Which one you want to hear first? Bad news is none of you got the. None of you got the good method. The good method. Good way to do it. None of you. Okay, let me say it again. Let me rephrase it. None of you saw a better way. Okay. Now the good news is you all got it right. But what matters is the correct answer. So that's fine. Like nothing go wrong because you all got a correct answer. But there's a better way. What is the better way?
Oh, is it the thing where you like?
What is that? What is that? What is the better way? Raise your hand. What do you think is a better way? Kayla. No, synthetic benevolent, yes.
3x plus 2.
Melanie?
oh yeah.
Huh? What do you mean simplify them? Common factor. All right. Who else? Common factor.
3.
What is common factor? What do you mean? All right, Oma. You factor? How do you factor it? How do you factor it?
Like when you add the other zero, like when you add the zero, like 0y square and then 0y.
No. Okay, that's that. Yeah. All right. Okay. Huh? What is it like to? Let's do like come here.
Oh my God.
All right, can I have your attention, everybody? Can I have your attention? David, like come here. Yeah. Yeah, that ball call you. Hold on, chill. Now, Dana, let's go.
Cube.
Huh?
What is it?
What is it?
3 cubed?
Yeah, 3 cube,
3
okay.
cubed, y cubed.
Minus.
and minus 2 cubed.
All right, let's go this way. Let's find out. We don't know, right? So cube gonna be ignored, right? Oh, I got like, oh, okay. Now, what is one little, one big? What is this?
3y.
Let me go down a little bit.
Yeah.
One little, one big. So 3y minus 2.
Um,
Now, if you got it wrong, gonna get one point off.
9
Nine?
y square.
Huh?
Y square.
Y square. The pressure is on. 1
6
point off. If you got it wrong, you're gonna learn this.
Negative 6y. Wait. Negative 6y. Oh. No, stop. Plus 6y.
Positive 6.
Yeah.
All right.
Plus.
Now she wish you should
Four.
have the raise your hand. 4. Sure.
4.
Positive.
Yeah.
100%. Confident? Okay, that's correct. Okay, good. Now, this divided by 3y minus 2, right? That's divided by my 3y minus 2. So this one also divided by 3y minus 2. Did you see something?
Yes.
Same thing on the top, same thing on the bottom. What you can do? Cancel it. What is your answer? 9y squared plus 6y plus 4.
But you told us do division.
No, I didn't tell you that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Long division.
No, this continue.
It's not fair.
Unless I tell you, oh, do this by long division, using long division. But so the note right here is what? The note right here is,
It's not just part of it.
yeah, don't do what I say. Always try to factor first.
Come on.
Oh my gosh.
That's the faster way. That's the efficient way. Like you, it's a less chance to make a mistake. Yeah. Yeah, one more for Dana. Okay. Now, do you think you can do something else this as well?
Yeah.
So this is correct. Okay. I think you all got this.
Oh, is it the other way? Go with the 4.
What is what the 4? What is the method for the 4? Grouping. Let's do it. Come on, let's go.
Let me see clear.
So you're gonna factor x squared
Right.
first, and then so it's gonna be 3x plus 2,
Right.
and then you're gonna factor 4,
4.
and then it's gonna be
Faster. What is this?
3x
3x
plus
plus
2.
Very good. Now, see that? You see that? So we're gonna take them out. 2x plus 2. What do you have here?
And then x squared plus 4.
Very good. Now everything is divided by 3x plus 2, right? Did you see you also have the 2x plus 2 on the top? Cancel them out. You have x squared plus 4.
Oh
One
my
point for
God.
Alma, yeah? Faster? So always to write this note down. Always try to factor first.
Does it work for everything?
No, it's not work for everything. You need to check. You need to see. Well, the way you can,
Right?
the way you can sum. No, this was right. This was right.
The method is different.
Did we get the same answer?
The same answer. Again, what matter is you got a correct answer. So it's still fine as long as you have the correct answer.
But the point.
I just show you, the better way to do it.
But if we have a test, are you gonna like tell us to do a different way or we can do it?
No, I will tell you, if I tell you specifically, to do long division, then you need to do long division. But I can just tell you divide this, then you can do any method you want.
But what if like we don't wanna use that?
The long division?
No, that. the shortcut.
No, then that's just the long division.
I'd rather do this than long
Yeah.
division, because long division I get confused with this one.
Yeah.
You see, I don't.
Mister, just.
So you can tell the long division, this is kind of a lot of things going on, a lot of letter, right? But the number is repeated. So that's why the mathematician, they came up with a better way. That's synthetic division. We're gonna learn on Friday. Less space, not like this, and then also less busy. That's a lot of busy right here.
Only 12. Oh my God. Wait, what is it?
All right, maybe just,
We didn't need to write this down, right?
whoa, shoot.
Oh.
If you know.
The other time.
All right, let's do this one. I think maybe this one can be the last one.
Can I get my computer?
So I can, I'm gonna try to break your quiz. So do it by yourself. Raise your hand, we're gonna check, and then I'll give you the homework. Okay, so that's gonna be the next.
You know.
So this is also the first time you see the x square on the divisor, but it just work the same. So let's see if you can apply the same thing with this. Okay. So whoever got the correct answer first, I'm gonna give 2 points, and then the next two persons, I'm gonna give you 1 point. Okay. So try to be the first top 3 faster, but you need to be correct. Okay. Not just. I don't know. Well, if you look at the way you know if the grouping is gonna work, look at the number 3 and 2, and this one if you factor out, you also have 3 and 2. Now look at this number. It's so random. 5, 2, 7, 9, 39.
No, you can factor.
I don't know. Try it.
No, mister, no.
All right.
Why do you hate us?
Pause this.
Mister.
Can I have your answers? That one, another point up right there. Okay. Let's get your attention, everybody. Hold on, show me. Let me go over this, and this actually mathematically the way she write is not actually correct too. So let me tell you, but this is not like really serious, but it's actually it's not correct. Okay. Now look at this. First, divide the front by the front. You got this 5x squared, then multiply by everything. You're gonna have 5x4, 10, 5x squared times 2x is 10x cubed. You noted that she add the 0 here because 0x is the power that missing. So you put the 0x right here. Okay. 5 squared times -4 is negative 20x squared. Now subtract them. You notice the gradient very good. Let's see. Rewrite the sign that I told you to rewrite the sign. So negative 2x cubed minus 10x cubed is negative 2x cubed. Negative 7x squared plus 20x squared is 13x squared. And drop down this everything down. Then keep going with the process. If you want to check step by step, it's right here. Okay. Now that's what I want to tell you is here. Allow me just pause for a second. Everybody. Let's pause for a second. This is a great answer, but the way you write this is not correct. Why? Let me ask you this. And blah, 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 right? Then the bottom is still the same. That's too lazy to write the whole thing. Blah, blah, blah. Okay. Are they the same?
No. Yes. What?
Who say they are the same? Okay, who say these two are different? So the rest of you are not sure. Okay.
Oh.
They obviously not the same. Okay, they're not the same. Okay, pick up later. Here, the negative, this is positive. But if you write them in the front like this, no, but still not the correct. If you write in the front like this, that means you need to have the parenthesis. That means this is going to change to the negative. So that's not correct. But also the way you write this is also not correct. You're missing the plus on the front. Otherwise, what does it mean? What is it? So which one you mean? Which one did you mean? Did you mean this minus on the front, or you mean the minus on the top of here? This way, then you need to have the plus in between, and the negative must stay in front of 122. Yeah. Right. Otherwise, it's going to be wrong. So you need to write. If you stick with the negative, go with the 122. You need to have plus on the front. If you want to negative on the front like this, then you need to change the sign.
Will you take points off on the quiz if you don't do it?
I will just correct it, but I will not take point off. I will correct it for you, but I hope that you're gonna learn from the lesson. Okay. Yeah. Any question? So I think to be safe, the safest way to write is just write the sign with the number and they put the plus on the front. Don't try to do like this because you will forget to change this sign. Okay. So write like this, plus negative 122x. You need to have a plus right here. Okay, good. All right. I think that would be it. I'm gonna